Chord spacing between 1 and 2 is A, between 2 and 3 is B, and between 3 and 4 is C. A, B, C. Okay, this is the Aviator by Pavel, Cetus550. You can find him on Instagram. It's a 4-strand core, independent in my case. You could do it on a buckle also. And this is the way he has it set up for a buckle, and it also works for this one. So basically, I'm coming out through A and through C. I'm looping around, and my right strand is coming out through C, and my left strand out through A. So I'm basically looping around. So let's tighten that up. And it's good to hide the fuse. It's actually very good for hiding the fuse. Okay, so let's begin. Your primary chord is going to be the second chord you use. So for an example, I want my blue chord to be my primary color, the one that stands out more. So I'm going to grab my secondary color. I'm going to go down C, out through B, and through the loop on the right. Now, to make it look better, I'm actually pulling. Gives it a better touch. And then pull the slack. Okay, now I grab my primary color, or the one that I want to stand out more. I'm going to go down through A, up through B, and through the loop on the left. And once again, I'm going to pull the chord coming out through B. And make sure you even the chords out fairly well. Pull the slack. Okay, now, this is basically it's the second part of the knot. It's basically to set you up for the next knot. So you're going to go around, out through C, out through C, through the loop on the right. And what you're going to do is pull straight up, because the chord is basically going to be getting ready for the next knot. So you want it pointing up like that. I'm going to go around, out through A, and through the loop on the left. And get it in there, because kind of tuck it in between that little space there. Okay, so that's the first knot that we've done. Now, once again, we start with our secondary color. We're going to go over, down through A, out through B, and through the loop on the left. And then once again, I'm going to be pulling the chord out through B. Level it out nice, and then pull the slack. I'm going to grab my right chord. I'm going to go down through C, out through B, and through the loop on the right. And once again, I'm pulling the chord coming out through B. And I'm making sure it looks nice and even. Pull the slack. Then once again, grab our right strand or our left strand, either one, go around, out through A and through the loop on the left. And tuck it in there and pull it up. Grab our right strand. Gonna go around, out through C, and through the loop on the right. Tuck it in and pull it up. Okay, let's do a couple more. Grab my secondary color. I'm gonna go down through C, out through B, and through the loop on the right. And once again, getting it nice and even. Pull the chord coming out through B, and then pulling the slack. Grab my left chord. I'm going to go down through A, out through B, and through the loop on the left. Once again, this is preference. I'm pulling it so it'll look even coming out through B. Make sure it's nice and even, and pull the slack. And then once again, we grab our right or left strand, go around, out through C, through the loop, inside the space, and pull it up. Left strand, out through A, through the loop on the left, and then pull it up. Okay, let's do one more. I'm going to grab our secondary color. We go down through A, out through B, and through the loop on the left. Once again, I'm pulling the cord out through B, making sure that it's nice and even. And then I pull the slack. My right cord, down through C, out through B, and through the loop on the right. Once again, I'm pulling out through B and making sure it's nice and even, and then I pull the slack. Then I grab my right or left strand. In this case, I'm using the right, going around, out through C, and through the loop on the right, and pulling it up. Left strand, round, out through A, through the loop on the left, getting that slack, and then pulling up. And that's your knot. Take it to the end. Have fun.